Hi, I'm Kirsten and today I'm going to be showing you how to prep the skin for makeup application. And I like to start with a great moisturizer. Today I'm going to be using the Sorbet Hydro Skin Aqua Day Gel. It's intensely hydrating and plumps up the skin beautifully for makeup application. Once I've got my moisturizer on, I'll be using an eye cream. This is the eye and lip serum from Sorbet. Just pop this on the outside of the eye. Fine lines be gone. Step 3 is my favorite part of the makeup application, which is priming the skin. I'm going to be using the Sorbet Prep and Poreless Primer, just like that. Blots shine, smooths out pores, and gives you the perfect canvas for makeup application. Next up is foundation. I'm using Face First Shake. What I love about this foundation is just the way it blends on the skin, the fact that there's a serum built in. Now I'm going to use my blending sponge just to press the foundation into the skin. Next up, I'm going to use the Undercover Eye Concealer, and I'm just going to put a little bit in the corners over here where it's a little bit dark. Gives a beautiful flawless finish, ready for eye makeup application. To finish it off, I'm going to use my favorite product, which is Glow and Tell, the liquid highlighter. It's like a goldy caramel color, so it works on all different skin tones. I love to apply it on the high points of the face, where the light catches it. And last but not least, a little bit of lip balm. It smells so good. So this is how I love to prep my skin to make sure that my makeup lasts all day and all night.